A dehumidifier is used to take the humidity from the air. In turn, this helps prevent biological growth from growing under your home. Stay tuned to hear about the good, better, and best dehumidifier solutions. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. Every homeowner wants to make sure their home is protected from biological growth. In this video, I'll explain the good, better, and best whole home dehumidifier solutions for your home. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. So the basis of just the bare minimum dehumidifier solutions would be going to your local department store, getting a cheap dehumidifier and just installing it in the space. No additional work. This is going to be the cheapest get by with kind of option. Now, there's a lot of other options that should be considered before you do this. A better dehumidifier would be going to get more of an industrial grade dehumidifier. Now, this is just the dehumidifier without the additional steps. But getting an industrial dehumidifier over one that you would get from your department store is going to cover a lot more square footage, usually be a lot more sustainable and need less maintenance, and last a lot longer and do a lot better job purifying the air in your home. It's first installing that industrial dehumidifier that we just talked about, but also looking around to see what is the problem for the moisture. Is it standing water? If so, getting a water drainage system in there. Even going as far as getting an encapsulation system for your crawl space to work alongside the dehumidifier is going to truly solve the humidity and high moisture levels in your air for your home. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about dehumidifiers for your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.